Wow.
Wait, let me see it. It looks like, come on. It looks like, wait, sit
Doesn't
down.
look bad, but
It's orange. Sit in front of me. It's orange, like it's...
there's some meat on there. I'm really nervous. This is gonna be so bad.
What does it taste like?
Strawberries, oddly enough.
You kinda look like you gagged for a minute. Let me smell it. Ew. Is it gross?
Only if you bite it.
Only if you bite it.
Oh.
There is literally chunks of pork in that. Pork and ice cream. It's like chicken and waffles.
It tastes like coffee. That's the gross part. Like, it shouldn't taste like coffee. And
Come on, last bite. This one right here.
no.
It's so thick. It's so thick. Come on.
It's just like the consistency.
Just
is
do it. Do it.
Like, that is meat and my ice cream.
Are you really gonna throw up? Is it hot? Is it cold?
That is the grossest thing I have ever.
I'm gonna turn this off now.
Okay.
Any final words? Any regrets? So
that
many
last
regrets.
one, it started off fine. It tastes like coffee, and then it was just meat.